Y'all, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Claire. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. It's great to have you here. If you know me, you know by the title of this video that I'm so excited about today's video. Oh my gosh, I gotta get it together. So again, if you know me, you know that I'm a pink campus rep for Auburn University. My friends at Victoria's Secret Pink reached out to me the other day and they let me know that they were sending me some PCC clothing to show you guys and to review for you, and just I'm so excited to be showing you these pieces of clothing, and I'd be lying if I didn't say I already peeked inside this box. Basically every single year Pink comes out with new PCC clothing for certain colleges and universities across the nation, and as you can see, I go to Auburn University, and this is also a part of their line for this year, for their Auburn University PCC line. And this is just a cropped jersey that I already had. They gave it to us this summer before brand training, and it's just super duper cute, and it's kind of like a football jersey. I've worn this so many times already. I'm going to be showing you what's in this box, and I'd be lying if I didn't say I already peeked inside, and I'm so excited about what's in here. Okay, so the very first thing that I pulled out of here are some yoga leggings. Y'all, we know we need yoga leggings. We know we do. We love yoga leggings. This is for Auburn University. As you can tell, there is the little badge it's like the Auburn University logo, and then it also says pink. And my favorite part, what makes these leggings so special, are the sides of these leggings. But as you can see, there is just this crisscross pattern all the way down the side, but what makes it even better is underneath that it is just mesh, and we love mesh, and so that's on both sides. And I love leggings, especially during football season, because that's when they're thin enough to wear out and about, especially with the mesh on the sides, but then also as it starts to cool down, it takes a while in Alabama for it to cool down, if we're being honest, we all know that. I will wear these all the time. All the time. Y'all, this next thing, okay, I literally was waiting to buy this. I'm so excited. This is the cutest thing that I honestly think that they've ever came out with for PCC, and I just look. It is tie-dye, but it's not like too much tie-dye. It's like the washed out looking tie-dye, and I love a good just kind of loungy-ish vibe, just something that looks almost like distressed but not like overly ripped and torn, and I love the neck. Oh my goodness. So this is probably going to be a staple for me during this football season. I can definitely see myself wearing this to games, wearing this to class, wearing this out and about with friends. It is just super duper cute, and it would look super cute with these leggings, or if you wanted to dress it up and wear it with like a denim skirt, you know, little booties or little wedges, you know, if you wanted to really wear it to a game. Oh, and I just noticed a little orange dog on the bottom. How cute is this? This is just, it looks so cozy, y'all. This is so comfy, so cute, and the sleeves are just so oversized. This is just going to be perfect. I'm actually obsessed with this. Love the length of it as well. It's not too long, not too short, it's not too cropped, not too oversized. It's just baggy enough in all the right places, and I can see myself wearing this every single day. Okay, the very last thing in this box is just, oh my goodness, to die for cute. It is this oversized-ish, but not too oversized hoodie. And that's one thing I really do like about Pink, is they have like the option to get things that are somewhat oversized and somewhat fitted, if you know what I'm saying. Things like this are what I just live for. So this hoodie is just the perfect length, the perfect size, the perfect wash. I love the cutout right here. Like that would be so cute with anything underneath, like either if a high neck bralette or even just wearing this underneath. Oh my goodness, I'm going to be wearing this all during football season. And then also on the sleeves it says WDE, and then it says Pink at the bottom. So I love the branding, I love all the logos that are on here. I love just having the little simple Auburn right there. It just makes it so easy to wear anywhere. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a staple. I'm just obsessed with this hoodie. This like neckline right here. Can we, oh, okay. Yes. It's big enough to where if you want to like wear it to class, but you don't want to wear it to class because it's kind of hot, but you're going to be cold in class. It's big enough to just like tie around your waist and just, oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you. I just wanted to show you guys some of the new PCC line for Auburn University. I'm obsessed with it. Every single year I get every single piece that they come out with for PCC for Auburn. like, you can come to my closet and check it out if you don't believe me. I wear stuff all the time from last year, year before, and that's another thing I really love about pink is this stuff is such good quality and it will last you for years to come. I promise. If you don't believe me, again, come check out my closet. So I hope you really enjoyed this little PCC haul from Victoria's Secret Pink. Thank you so much again, Pink, for sending me these super duper cute staples for my closet. I will be wearing these all the time and I can't wait to show all of my friends and get them to buy them as well. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos 3 to 4 times a week if you didn't know that already. Thank you so much again for joining me and have a great day. Bye! Mwah.